Hello children. So in the morning I had posted a video and I sent you a link for attempting some MCQs from chapter 1. Seeing to whatever responses I've got till 10 p.m. tonight, there are 4 questions which majority of the students have made a mistake in. Question number 6, 12, 13 and 14. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the answer for these questions along with a logical explanation of it. Fine. So let's start with question number 6. The 6th question says the opportunity cost is important in microeconomics because measures the cost of producing goods, analyzes the benefits of different economic choices, determines the price strategy of the firms, and access the value of scarce resources. Children, first you have to remember what is this opportunity cost. So when I talk about opportunity cost, children, it means the amount of benefit which I lose while accepting a particular option. In other words, suppose if I am getting a job in company A which offers me 50,000 rupees per month, whereas I have another opportunity, another call from company B at 45,000 rupees a month. So but obviously I'll choose company A. What I didn't choose over here was company B, and this option which I do not choose becomes my opportunity cost. So the answer over there is option B. Now let's go to the next question. After 6th number, the question that I have seen which children have made mistake is question number 12, 13 and 14. So let's go to those 3 questions. Going to question number 12, microeconomic theory suggests that markets are efficient when. So given options to here, government intervenes frequently. इसका मतलब government बार बार दखल अंदाजी करता है. That's not good. There are no externalities. When you say no externalities, का मतलब no foreign pressure. You are not into a pressure from IMF, from World Bank, or from other powerful nations who might force you to change your policy and your government, you can say, rules and regulations. So this is good. Yeah, prices are controlled. No, prices are not controlled. Again, no government intervention, and there is monopoly. Monopoly is considered to be as dangerous. Therefore, the correct option is there are no externalities. Now, what I have seen is children have either left this question or they have attempted it is wrong. We go to question number 13 now. Okay, now when you talk about question number 13, my dear friends, one of the main concerns of microeconomics is the options are income distribution, national income, money supply, and unemployment rate. If I go from D, unemployment, it's a macro concept and therefore it will not be a microeconomic part. Money supply, it again is a macro concept. Hence, it does not fit with microeconomics. National income, as we know the definition, right? That aggregates. National income comes on aggregates, and that is the subject matter of macroeconomics. Therefore, your correct answer will be option A, income distribution. And 14th question was also where many people made mistake. So let's go with question number 14. Which of the following is a positive economic statement? The government should increase the minimum wage. Higher taxes discourage investments. Everyone should have access to free education. And reducing inflation is more important than reducing unemployment. Children, always remember one thing. Whenever you want to see whether the statement is positive or not, you should remember one thing. Whenever there are words like should, ought, must have. Those are all giving advices, and such advice giving statements are normatives. A positive statement is a statement which just says the fact as it is. When I was teaching you, I have 1,000 times told you, what is a positive statement? Like for example, a person says, you are very arrogant. Fine. When somebody is telling you are arrogant, it's a positive statement being made about how he feels about you. But if we say, you are arrogant, you must actually keep your tone down while talking, it becomes a normative statement because it is suggesting you what to do. So in this case, in question 14, option B, higher taxes discourage investment, is a positive statement. So this is what I actually thought of giving you the clarification today itself. I hope this initiative which I have started is going to help you out. Like you all solved the sums or the questions, on a Sunday morning, and by Sunday night, I plan to give you the explanation to those questions which majority of the children have gone wrong on. So let us together be regular in our studies. Let us together try to finish all the doubts on the same day itself, and you can always mail me on kpsirthetutor@gmail.com. If you have any answers to be corrected, just get a PDF format of it, email it to me. I will correct and email back to you. Thank you so much.